Hey everybody, Kimosabi here, giving you a little update from our last video. We did break the low that I was hoping would potentially hold with 4-hour closes, higher highs and higher lows, but did not happen. We actually closed a lower low right there, which gave us more down move. Still very interested in the 56,412 area because of the downsloping breakout back test. If this doesn't get down there and stops right here, that would be very bullish. And there is a possibility that that does happen. Seeing a nice strong move off of the deviation down from yesterday. So what is it going to take to get this thing moving on up? Well, currently I am matching some legs, but basically I'm looking for a 4-hour higher high close than this high at 61, basically 61,200. Get a 4-hour close higher high, then I would expect a higher low to come in, probably around previous supports, so have those marked off. It might just be the daily open right here at 60,279. That might end up being the support if that does close the higher high on the 4-hour. There are trades to be had here. You can put a stop loss at the low. We did grab very local liquidity and got a nice volume spike out of it. Still have this lower liquidity down here at 56, just under 56 or 57,200. So still very interested in that. The market may be interested in it. It may not. The determining factor for me is a 4-hour higher high close. If I get that, then I'd be looking for more up. We do have some completed moves here. Let me take a screenshot so I can draw on this and show you what I'm talking about. So just looking at low-hanging fruit here, matching this leg with this leg, and then completing this with that. Works good. Some kind of ABC in the middle. I'm good with that. So that would mean, for me, this move down is complete, but it may just be completing this portion right there, out of which we're just getting this right here, depending on where this 4-hour closes. We may just be getting that for the continuation push down, similar to that, into the buy setup, which would be Sunday, Monday area if that pattern completes like that. That pattern becomes much less likely with a 4-hour higher high close, because then you're making a higher high. I'd expect a higher low and another push up. That may just give you ABC up like that, or something more substantial where you're matching this leg over here. Quick move down to a daily open, push up, and then consolidate like that for the weekend, matching that. This move right here being an ABC, it's not ideal because of the extension that this came to. It didn't come down to like the 1-to-1 fib extension or the 1272, but that's probably why I like it. Usually the market will front run your targets and reverse, but it's not showing a reversal yet until we get a 4-hour higher high close. That's what I'm looking for, and then buy previous support, or try to. If this thing pushes up here, then I'm buying previous support here. I'll look for entries and try to keep track of it as best I can and update. That's kind of what I'm looking for. 4-hour higher high close, buy around the daily open or these previous supports. I do like the swing fail right there to maybe come up and take this area. But we'll see. We'll see what we get. Yeah, so if you are going to enter long somewhere, previous support, stop loss goes right there. Break that stop loss. I'm anticipating 56,400 and maybe lower, but that's initially where I'm looking. Yeah, have a good night. Keep your stops tight.